Hello guys, it's Darshan Gaming. Today I'm going to be going back to the workshop and saying shit about it because it is actually a great thing that Valve added, only that they just don't use it enough. So let's check out this map. This map is called Haywire. It's currently got 5 stars because it's just that good. People can test this shit out and then, yeah, find how good it really is. The map detail, like the map setting, I don't really like deserts, but I do like how it goes quite well. TF2 needs to fix the textures on these trees, they look ugly as shit. But anyway, this is basically Haywire, looks nice. It's just a long ass payload map. Yeah, that's all I can really say about this one. This one's an interesting one. I don't really like 2 Fort. This one's a snowy version. Now there's problems with this. There's 2 forts in a desert. But if you say this is like another 2 fort or another different type of 2 fort, maybe. I'm not sure. I do like the look on the map, so add it. That's all I could say. This is possibly another 2 fort. Alright, shore leave. It's a frontline one. Frontline are always very popular with their maps. I gotta be honest. Frontline makes their maps amazing. There's not really much problems I could say about like each of their like map. It's really nice. I'd say add that too. MVM needs more maps just to make it, make it popular still. This one looks great. And yeah, all these are like different sorts of things you can do. So this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, so on. And I guess, yeah. The new Bind CTF, Catch the Flag. I don't really like Capture the Flag, it takes too long. They should have a time limit on Capture the Flag, it's ridiculous. Like, they should at least, like, add, like, alright, you got, like, 30 or 20 minutes. And, yeah, it just... I'd say this map looks great as well. I reckon, yeah. Oh my god. This map is getting more interesting the more I go through the pages. You can see the turbine in it. It's a little bit. What's that? Is that like a fan thing or something? Alright. Oh, they don't really mean the turbine. Alright. Oh, the map's getting better. Oh, so it's I'm so yeah, it is a Capture the Flag. So I guess flags are right there. The thing is, I say the map is rather a bit big, but I kind of accept it because I kind of want the Capture the Flag game mode to legit just fix its broken time. Anyway, what's this? What the fuck? I think this is just like a popular community map. I bet Valve won't add that because it's too much like a community map. Like usually community maps are like really good, but there's some that just say, oh yeah, it's a community map. It's not like a part of the TF2 thing. But I gotta say, oh man, I like the Kalinka map. What game mode is this even? Is it Catch the Point? Interesting shape the map is. Looks pretty great. Rather like the grass detail. Yeah, do like the map. I guess this is like just like a catcher point map. Great. Let's see. What's barren? There's another MVM desert map. Like, you know, desert maps are so common in this game. It might as well be like a deserty MVM map. You should like split up into different like areas that people want to go in. Festive Turbine. Oh, I fucking see the turbine in it now. Wait, what the fuck? Kind of do see it. Interesting. They almost made it into a totally different map with really similar shapes. It's possibly like a totally different map. Oh my god. This map looks cool. Yeah, this map actually looks great. Just gotta continue on because, yeah. See, I saw this map. It was okay. Pretty sure I showed you that. This one was interesting. This one's the map. It's Vigil, and it looks like this. Looks like it's huge. I like huge maps. Should be more huge maps. Sneglect. Yeah. So let's check here. Blue team start off here. They push the cart, push the cart, push the cart, push it all the way to there. And what is that? Is there like a fence? Is this a... Yeah, this is a background. And basically skybox and shit like that. Yeti Park raid boss. That's fucking amazing. Oh man. Don't even make it like a model like that. A model that big ain't big enough. The Yeti was like freaking up to there or something like that. So I'd say upgrade the size of the Yeti. And if this is a fucking raid boss, make this into like a separate game mode called the boss fight raids. Like I want a fucking bread monster in there. I'm like a bread monster with all its fucking tentacles. Just slapping around. Fucking yeah. That's actually a great idea. Raid boss thing in Team Fortress requires navigation and shit like that. Oh, ho, ho. Oh, this one's a good map. Oh, this one's totally different. Actually, it is actually really different. I love this map. Add this for Halloween, please. Let's see here. 5 Gorge. This map makes this map look better, so I guess, yeah, go on. Alright, let's check. Let's see. Badlands Beta. I've seen parts of this. Is this like a Team Fortress Beta or something? Looks pretty cool. They really should remaster this map, or is that like what someone made? I actually do not know. Ah, interesting. Is this a good frontline map? I hope it is. Is this like a waste desert-ish map that looks pretty crap? Yeah, it looks crap. I don't vote for that. Hmm. This is interesting. Freedom Edition Sawmill. Oh fuck yeah. They should actually make it like the Freedom Edition Sawmill, because fuck. Every time you want to rocket jump up to one of those roofs, it's like gets ridiculous when you just cannot get up there when you can simply just jump on the roof. Which is kind of stupid. But I guess it's one of their older maps? I don't know. Pretty cool map. Fucking monkey with a gun. Let's see here. I guess that's it for this episode. So I guess I'll peace you out.